As a building owner, this is not what you like. Here's the railroad tracks. Here's the guy from the T. As you can see, it came right through here, baby. Yeah, she's coming up. That's coming all the way around there too, from the guy's backyard. The train is shut down, obviously, for a couple weeks, I would guess. Well, they could get this back fast, but there's the woman from New England Cable News. Oh no, yeah, she is. Alright. Hopefully I get out of here without getting too wet. Now I walked the dog a little farther back. This is where the coyotes live. Yep, Team Old Newton. The old sweater factory where I showed the kids how to ride bicycles. Uh-oh, it's getting worse. Whoa, not a good idea. Got a little wet there. I'd say it's coming up more. As a matter of fact, it is coming up more. I could get through here a minute ago. I'm going to get the freak out of here. Yep, it's come up a foot since I went through here 5 minutes ago. Good idea to get out of here.